In today's video, I will be showing you how to print a specific row as your header here in Google Sheets. So if you're planning on printing your spreadsheet, but you want to use a specific row as your header, here's how to do it. So I do have a header right now at the top here on the first row, but I don't plan on using this when I print my data. I do also have another row right here that I want to use as my header when I do print this spreadsheet. Now you can choose any header as you want. It can be in the middle of your spreadsheet. That's totally up to you. But if you do want to use that, here's how you're going to do it. So once you've selected the row that you want to use as your header in your spreadsheet, after selecting that row, what you're going to do is to freeze all of your rows up to that row. So I've chosen the sixth row right here where I have the movies, screenplay writer, budget, and box office revenue. I'm just going to format this in bold to make it stand out some more. Then go to view here in the menu bar and select freeze. So again, we're going to freeze all of our rows up to row 6. And that's one of our choices right here. Click on that and there you have it. My header stays in place and I can just scroll up and down on my data. Now, of course, we don't really want to see this part right here at the moment, but we also don't want to delete it. What we're going to do is to hide these rows right here. So once you select those rows, right-click, then select Hide Rows 1 to 5. We click on that, there we have it. Our sixth row still stays in place, it's still visible, and we can still scroll up and down on our data. Last but not the least, if we want to use this as the header, by freezing that row, it will appear on all of the pages when you do decide to print everything. So let's go ahead and see a preview of that. Let's go to File, select Print at the bottom, and here we have it. We have our movies, screenplay writer, budget, and box office revenue header at the top. If we go to the next page, it will have the same header like so. And there you have it. So that's how you can use a specific row as your header by just freezing that row, then hiding the rest of your data. And of course, if you want to unhide those hidden rows, just click on this one. There you have it. And that's how you can print a specific row as your header here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.